Hello everyone. Today you are viewing a 42-inch Walmart Hugger. This is one of the ceiling fans that my uncle purchased for me from the Habitat Restore for $5. And the brand of this fan is Mainstays. It is sold at Walmart today for $27.81. I have to say it's probably the lowest price ceiling fan on the market right now. And here's the information. I don't know if you can see that. There. Made in China, impedance protected. It is from January of 2018. And this is exactly what they sell in Walmart right now. And they do use this ventless motor now. I'm surprised that Walmart uses a ventless motor. I'm not going to lie. Because most fans always have the vents. So I think that's pretty cool that you can just go out and buy a ventless fan. But let's start with looking at the blades. Now we will look at the other side, which is bleached oak. And now we'll start the demonstration with the lights. Yeah, not bad. Now we'll start this ceiling fan on low. And I gotta say too, it is pretty quiet for being Walmart branded as well. Because I've known a lot of Walmart fans to be noisy, like vibrating and buzzing and just weird. Has a slight wobble. But I mean, I like it. I can feel it pulling air right now. Now we'll put the fan up to medium. It starts to wobble a little more on here. And then it starts to level out a little bit. Okay, now we'll put it on high. I gotta say, it's not a bad build for Mainstays. Not bad at all. And it actually moves the air. Because I've heard a lot of stories and stuff, and actually seen for myself that Walmart fans usually don't move any air. Like, they'll push very, very little, but not like this. I mean, this is insane for Walmart. And it's fast, too. Now I'll watch the spin down. Yeah, but like I said, not bad for Walmart. I recommend this fan to anybody with a smaller sized room. And like I said, this is $27.81 on Walmart.com in the store. Yeah, but I can truly say not bad at all. And it actually holds a standard size light bulb as well. Like, it came with an LED originally in the box, obviously. But it'll actually fit a regular 40-watt bulb. Don't go higher than 40 watts, though. That is one thing definitely on the checklist. Do not go higher than 40 watts in a regular size socket in a fan this new, because that's what they're rated for with an incandescent bulb. I don't recommend using CFLs in these. You can either use LED or incandescent, whatever suits you better. I gotta say too, the bearings are very nice. Yeah, but I mean, it's just a decent little Hugger fan. But I mean, like, these size fans at Lowe's are like $30-some. At Home Depot, they're $30-some, if not 40. It's just, this is the lowest price, but yet you're actually getting quality. There you go, everyone. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.